Today's update dives into why Dalal Street is bracing for a tough session, weak global cues, soaring WPI inflation, Powell's rate pause remarks, and continued FII outflows. Stay tuned for insights into NTPC Green Energy's upcoming IPO and market trends to watch this week. It's likely to be a red start for Dalal Street this Monday, and we suspect the pessimism is likely to stay through the close. Anxiety and nervousness are likely to prevail in the wake of 1. Weak leads from Wall Street in Friday's trade, with the S&P 500 dropping 1.3%, the Dow falling by 305 points, and the Nasdaq losing 2.2%. 2. Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell has said the Fed is in no rush to cut rates, citing the economy's strength, a solid labor market, and persistent inflationary pressures. 3. The post-election Donald Trump's victory rally lost steam. 4. Rising U.S. bond yields. The yield on the 2-year Treasury note was up to 4.367%. The 10-year yield was up to 4.472%. 5. Scorching WPI inflation in India. 6. Increased skepticism about corporate India's Q2 earnings disappointment. 7. Record exodus from the foreign institutional investors. FIIs have pulled out a record 1.2 lakh rupees crore from Dalal Street since Nifty hit its peak at 26,277 mark on 27 September. In the week gone by, FIIs sold to the tune of Rs. 9683 crores. Long story short, Nifty is vulnerable to more downside as bears hunt for more downside targets. Global cues are negative. In Thursday's session, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 1850 crores, while DIIs bought shares to the tune of Rs 2482 crores. Sentiments are likely to be risky. Market breadth for the day is likely to be negative. Nifty's technicals are indicating lower high-low pattern. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 23,000 to 24,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has spiked towards 14.77 levels. Nifty PCR, 28th November, is at 1.01 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 27th November, is at 0.96. Nifty outlook, the bears are likely to be everywhere. Nifty, CMP to 3533. Biggest support on Nifty is placed only at 23,167 mark. Immediate resistance is placed only at 23,850 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 23,300 and 23700. Bias for the day is neutral negative. Bank Nifty, CMP 50180. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support seen only at 49,283 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 50,801 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 49,000 and 50500. Bias for the day is neutral negative. In last week's trade, tremors were witnessed at Dalal Street, which simply caused more massive destruction to Nifty bulls' confidence. Amidst this backdrop, Nifty has slipped below 200 DMA in intraday trade. Our stock markets will remain closed on Wednesday, 20th November on account of Maharashtra Assembly polls. Traders also brace Jharkhand polls, which will be held on 20th November. Counting of votes for the two states will take place on 23rd November. Buzzing stocks. 1. NTPC's wholly owned subsidiary NTPC Green Energy is coming up with an IPO which opens for subscription this Tuesday, 19th November. The IPO ends on Thursday, 21st November. NTPC Green Energy will the third largest IPO of 2024 after Hyundai Motor India and Swiggy, with an issue size of Rs. 10,000 crores. NTPC Green Energies is eagerly awaited, particularly in light of the successful listing of another renewable energy-related IPO, Waaree Energies.